I'm Ryan Willis. I'm at 1680 Fuqua Mill Road in Bedford, Virginia, with Betty Davis. I'm here about to do a repair test attempt on the back slope. The front slope was already paid for. The back slope had prescribed repairs for about 30 some shingles. I'm going to be showing a repair attempt on one of those shingles in order to verify if it's repairable or not. So the damaged shingle, as we can see, there's a crease. The wind is caught under this area and has created a crease right there. What we're going to do is we're going to have to take and loosen up all these up here to slide out the shingle and then nail it in. So excuse the angles and everything because I am alone filming this, but if you would just bear with me. So, as I was saying, we need to loosen up all these. The tabs end right there at the crease tab, so that makes things a little bit easier. We have to loosen all these in order to get the nails here and here because there are a total of 8 nails in this. So go under here. So the shingles should just slide out now. Alright, shingle is slid out. Slide this one in. Make sure that the keys are even. Everything is flush, and then excuse, I had some chewing gum this morning. Be as careful as possible without bending it back. but you need to get the nail flush. In order to get the nail flush, we do have to lift it a little. Trying to not bend it back as much as possible. Alright, all those. Not to bend it back, but I need direct line of sight in order to properly nail it in flush. As you can see, the repair has now created damage. You can see it right there, going across. From where I had to lift it right here, it creased it. Same thing right here. You can see the line forming. It's now creased. Same thing here. From where I had to have the left, you can see the crease line going right there. From where I held it up like this. Back slope irreparable. Also, just to note, the amount of granule loss that we have on the back slope as well. Confirming it would not pass the brittle test. Just a simple brittle test as well. Since I'm already up here, I might as well. Since I don't want to be going around damaging too many, I'll just do one that is slightly close to here. So here's one right here. In order to do enough of these, there's a little bit of hail, but too much granule loss. This is not repairable at all. The whole slope is like this. So, back slope irreparable.